Welcome to Draw and Design. As you know, we have started a project about planning of building. Today we will elaborate the detailing of site. Please watch full video and subscribe the channel. Site detailing will be carried out in 3 simple steps. Step 1, we will take measurements. In case of square or rectangle shape, only length and width will be measured. In case of skewed or irregular shaped plot, diagonals will be measured in addition to lengths and widths. Distances from right-of-way, behind the curb and parking will be noted in order to achieve exact position of the plot. Step 2, we will check and measure surroundings. Dimensions of connecting roads and lanes, and distance from our plot. Frontage dimensions of plots, and properties adjoining the site. Access roads and other buildings. Step 3, we check the orientation. North direction will be checked with the help of compass or similar means. Luckily we measured a plot before some days. The owner allowed us to use the hand-sketched drawing for study purpose, so let's get to the Autocad in order to make a simple site plan. We will make our first line as baseline, and find next point using arc intersect method of finding a point. We will make circles on both end of baseline, with radius same as our width, and diagonal dimension. We will do this same process to find all missing corners. We will find all the unknown points, and connect them using polyline command, and complete our plot. Then we will make it closed boundary. Check area of plot using area command. Write the area in center of plot using text command. And then make hatching inside our boundary line. We will draw all surrounding drawing in next video, during development of our complete location plan. Next we will find our north direction. To do so we simply paste a line which we noted start and end distance from reference points. This north direction will guide us through all the stages of planning. We make some styles to our north indicator. Please stay with us. In next video we will make details annotated drawing of location plan in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching the video.